Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coleslaw for pulled pork. First, let's prepare our main ingredients. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, which should yield about 6 cups once finely shredded. Also, grate 1 large carrot using the larger holes of your box grater. Combine these fresh ingredients in a spacious bowl, ensuring they are well mixed before moving on to the dressing. Now let's create that delicious, creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle tang. Finish by seasoning with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, mixing until smooth and well combined. With your dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour the creamy dressing over the shredded cabbage and grated carrot mixture in the large bowl. Using tongs or a large spoon, gently toss all the ingredients until the vegetables are thoroughly and evenly coated. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the coleslaw for a minimum of 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give your coleslaw another quick stir to ensure the dressing is evenly distributed and the flavors are at their peak. This fresh, tangy, and creamy coleslaw is the absolute perfect side dish for your delicious pulled pork, adding a wonderful crunch and brightness to every bite. And speaking of great finds, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.